Let's crochet the body of tiger with yolk yellow yarn. Make your left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Hold against the X with your thumb. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Slip off the magic ring. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is one single crochet. We can see the V shape for this stitch. Mark this first stitch with stitch marker. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring again, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. Now, we got 2 single crochet, see 2 stitches. Repeat 4 more times to work 6 single crochet. 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We need to put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. This chain stitch would not count as needed stitch of each round. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch, and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. So now, we got 1 increase, see 2 stitches. Insert hook into the next stitch and work 2 single crochet to make 1 increase. Got 2 increase, see for stitches. Repeat with 4 more increase. 3, 4, 5, 6, If you have more than 12 stitches, undo them until you have each 2 stitches in the 6 stitches of round 1. This is the slip stitch and this is the chain stitch. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round. So, we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we have finished round 2. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Work 1 single crochet at the first stitch and mark this stitch with stitch marker. Finished 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Work 1 increase in the next stitch. Finished 1 group of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. See 3 stitches. Continue with 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Finished 2 groups. We need to repeat with 4 more groups of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Now, we have finished 5 groups. For the 6th group, 1 single crochet next and 1 increase. Skip the slip stitch and chain stitch, insert hook into the marking stitch and work 1 slip stitch. Now, we have finished round 3. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Hook another single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 1 group of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. See 4 stitches. Continue with 2 single crochet. And 1 increase. Finished 2 groups. We need to repeat with 4 more groups of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Now, we finished 5 groups. For the 6th group, 2 single crochet next. And 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the stitch marked by the stitch marker to finish round 4. Okay, we have finished round 4. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. We need to hook 24 single crochet of round 5. Mark this first stitch with stitch marker. Repeat single crochet to finish 24 single crochet of round 5. Now, the last single crochet. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch marked by the stitch marker to finish round 5. Okay, we have finished round 5. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. Mark this first stitch. Repeat 4 more times to work 5 single crochet. 3, 4, 5. See 5 stitches. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 1 group of 5 single crochet, 1 increase. See 7 stitches. Continue with 5 single crochet. And 1 increase. Finished 2 groups. Continue with 5 single crochet. And 1 increase. For the 4th group, 5 single crochet next. And 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the stitch marked by the stitch marker to finish round 6. Okay, we have finished round 6.